Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. My name is Ifi Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today, I have a special guest on my show again, and we're going to continue to talk about the alphabets in the Igbo language. Today, we're going to name a few foods that start with the letter A, which is the first alphabet. You ready?
Yes.
I'm going to go first. Anu, meat. Anu, meat. Your turn.
Also, fish.
Azu, fish. Good job.
Aqua, egg.
Aqua, egg. Again, we have three foods here that starts with the letter A. Aqua, egg. Anu, meat. Azu, fish. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.